You are watching a monthly Billboard update from West Hollywood, Sunset Strip. I'll just briefly mention what I see. If you see something, you know, the comment. Here's Pineapple Express, marijuana delivery site. Love Factory, comedy stand-up theater. Just past Green Blood Deli. This is January, and they all obsessed with Oscars. So this is Netflix, coming in on January 10 on Netflix. For example, this Billboard. Netflix trying to get Oscar, 6 nominations. What's over there? Wrong Man stars. Another Netflix movie. And thank you for somebody who were watching and pointed. That's where Marble or Man Cowboy used to be. Now it's always Apple products on that vertical. So, here's on the left, HBO High Maintenance. Looks like Pat Smoker. Dark Ages. TBS often here on this spot. Birds of Prey, February 7, only in theaters. Here is Body Shop, Striptease Bar. Irishman, it's a lot of Irishman billboards. They want Oscar. Here is Madman Marijuana Dispensary 2. Netflix, some kind of thing. Strange picture. Guy crawling out of the crotch of the underwear. Dave. HBO. Avenue 5. Here, Seth Meyers. Always NBC on this electronic billboard. Another stand-up theater called Comedy Store. They have open bar, not open. Patio. Here is History Channel on the left. Grammy Awards. Sunday, January 26th. Okay, it's some kind of USA channel. He's right behind Invisible Man in theaters. Here's Comedy Central all the time. Amazon Prime Video, yellow billboards. Some kind of home final season of something. Like a Boss in theaters. What's this? Some kind of train your mind, mental fitness app. Phone app to cover whole wall. Okay. Let's see what's that. Now there's some gift from Netflix. Miss America, Taylor Swift on Netflix. She's left side. I'm getting sick of it. America is so predictable. They named a few characters that they have to pimp from every media source. iPhone 11, some kind of, I don't know what it is. Alright, Showtime, Netflix, 2 pops. Was there some kind of, oh okay, Academy Award nomination, they want Oscar. There you go, Oscar again. Irishman for Oscar. How cliche that the same actors, the same idea. Alright, another one. Oscar nomination, Klaus from Netflix. Singer USA channel. NBC local channel. Here is great Curb Your Enthusiasm. You can watch first 8 seasons streaming on Amazon Prime Video. It's very funny. 9th season for sale for $20 on Amazon app. And now they have season 10 on HBO. 1 episode every Sunday. So you can't binge watch even if you sign up for HBO online or something. Was that another streaming? Apple TV Plus. They replaced Apple Music Billboard with Apple TV Plus. January 24, The Gentleman. Lincoln Rhyme, local NBC. Widely Entertainment, again, they want Academy Award Oscars. Good luck. Here used to be some kind of beverage. What's here now? 3 billion years in making. They didn't replace it since last time, and I don't know what it is. The big one, TBS, the same that next to the Marlboro Man billboard. Dark Ages. Now I'm gonna drive back. That's greedy. What kind of movie is this? Best film of the year, 2 winner, 11 Academy Awards nominations. Some kind of clown with green hair. What is it? Oh, okay. This Joker probably. Overrated. Poor quality footage, stupid idea. It's not Oscar. Great movie. Sorry to break the news. Joker was garbage. Here is guitar in a window. Okay, Irishman again. What's on the HBO wall? So carbon enthusiasm on the other side. Here is the Avenue 5. Alright. It's the same as last month. They promote some kind of marriage ballroom or something in Anda's Hotel. Okay. 6 nominations. Lost My Body. Netflix or something. Yeah. Cartoon. Truth. Apple TV Plus. Above the Rainbow. And Roxy. Here is 2 iPhone billboards. iPhone 11. Jimmy Kimmel Live. Well, he is discredited with his political message. January 15, new episode or something. Okay. Managed story, they won 6 nominations. USA channel. Again, Irishman, pathetic. Amazon Prime Video, second billboard here. And here's always Disney billboard, but right now Ford versus Ferrari instead. This is local radio station. The same faces. I don't know what's that. Homeland. Can't even guess what it is. Showtime, Homeland. Here is some kind of movie in theaters. February 14. Sonic Hedgehog. Black Gloves. Also mystery. Cactus Jack. Who is this? Is this some kind of music? Cactus Jack. Star Trek. CBS All Access. Las Vegas. Here is some kind of fashion or something. I don't know what it is. Alright, Outlander. February 16. Here is nice looking billboard. theaters. Saint Laurel, waste of space. Garbage. Amiri, fashion. Prada. Singer. Fox on Wednesdays. Irishman again, 10 nominations. Polo, fashion, another Irishman Billboard, 10 nominations. And all those next two, also Irishman. Pathetic. Okay, it was January 2020. Billboard Row update. You can check last month's update in description. One Child Nation. See you next month for the new update.